Imagine stepping into your backyard on a warm summer morning and seeing vibrant green vines climbing upward, with fresh cucumbers hanging beneath the leaves like hidden treasures. You reach out, pick one, and feel the crisp freshness in your hand. That simple moment can completely change how you see food because you grew it yourself. If you think growing cucumbers is complicated, the truth is it's one of the easiest and fastest vegetables you can grow, especially for beginners in the USA. Cucumbers thrive in warmth, sunlight, and consistent care. The key is understanding their natural needs and giving them the right environment from the beginning. Once you do that, they grow quickly and reward you with continuous harvests. Timing is everything. Cucumbers are warm, season plants, which means they should only be planted after the last frost when the soil temperature reaches at least 65 degrees F. In most parts of the United States,
Time to give these cucumbers some water.
Between late spring and early
Look at them
summer.
thrive with this drink.
Planting too early can stunt
They
growth,
love the moisture.
while planting at the right time ensures strong, healthy vines. Location plays a huge role in success. Cucumbers need full sun, ideally 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. The more sunlight they receive, the faster they grow and the better they produce. Choose a bright, open space in your backyard, garden bed, or even a balcony if you're growing in containers. Soil preparation is the foundation of healthy cucumbers. They prefer loose, well-draining soil rich in organic matter. Mixing compost into the soil improves fertility and ensures roots have access to nutrients. You avoid heavy or compact soil as it can restrict root growth and lead to poor yields. Planting cucumbers is simple and beginner-friendly. Sow seeds about 1 inch deep and space them properly, around 12 to 18 inches apart for bush varieties and a bit more for vining types. If you're short on space, vertical gardening is a great solution. Using a trellis allows cucumbers to climb
Let's check the
upward,
leaves for any
improves
pests or
airflow,
disease.
and keeps
The soil feels
fruits
moist, which is
clean
perfect for
and
cucumbers.
straight. Watering
cucumber
is
looks
one of
healthy
the
and
most
ready to harvest
important
soon.
aspects of cucumber care. Cucumbers are made up mostly of water, so they need consistent moisture to grow properly. Water deeply 2-3 times per week, making sure the soil stays evenly moist. During hot weather, you may need to water more frequently.
Time to water the
Avoid
cucumbers
letting
on
the
this
soil
fine morning.
dry out completely.
There you go,
as
nice and
this
even.
can lead to bitter fruits.
That should
Mulching
keep
is
them thriving.
highly beneficial for cucumbers. A layer of mulch helps retain moisture, regulate soil temperature, and reduce weed growth. This creates a stable environment for roots and keeps plants stress-free. Feeding your cucumber plants is essential for strong growth.
In
and
this thriving
high
garden,
yields.
the cucumber vines
Start
are
with
full of life.
compost,
The
rich
plants are
soil.
healthy and strong,
Then apply a
climbing towards the
balanced
sun.
fertilizer
The cucumbers
every
are growing
2
plump and ready
weeks.
for harvest.
Once the plants begin flowering, switch to a fertilizer higher in potassium and phosphorus to support fruit production. Organic
These cucumbers
fertilizers
are looking
work
perfect today.
wonderfully and improve
Let's get this one.
overall plant health. As cucumber vines grow,
beautiful
they
harvest.
spread quickly and can take
In this
over
thriving
space
garden,
if
the
left
cucumber vines are
unmanaged.
full of life.
Training them on a
The plants are
trellis
healthy and
not
strong,
only
climbing
saves
towards the
space,
sun.
but also
The cucumbers are
improves
growing plump
sunlight
and ready for
exposure
harvest.
and reduces disease risk. Pruning excess leaves and weak stems allows the plant to focus energy on producing healthy
These cucumbers are looking perfect
One
today.
of the most exciting
Let's get this one.
stages is flowering. Cucumbers produce bright
beautiful
yellow
harvest.
flowers, and soon after pollination,
These cucumbers are looking
tiny
perfect today.
cucumbers begin to form. Bees play an important role in this process.
This basket is
So
filling up nicely.
encouraging pollinators in your garden can significantly improve your harvest. Harvesting cucumbers at the right time is crucial. Pick them when they are firm green and at the desired size. Waiting too long can result in oversized, bitter cucumbers. Regular harvesting encourages the plant to keep producing, giving you a steady supply throughout the season. Now let's address some common problems and how to fix them easily. If your cucumbers taste bitter, it's usually due to inconsistent watering or heat stress. Maintaining steady moisture levels helps prevent this issue. Yellow leaves may indicate overwatering, poor drainage, or nutrient deficiency. Adjust your care routine and ensure your soil drains well. If flowers
Time to prune
appear
these
but
cucumber
no fruit
vines.
forms, it
Snip
may
here
be
to remove
due
this excess
to
leaf.
poor pollination. Encouraging
This helps the plant
bees
focus
or
on fruit.
hand pollinating flowers can solve this problem. Pests like aphids, cucumber beetles, and spider mites can affect plants, but they are manageable
What a
with
beautiful day
neem
for harvesting these
oil
cucumbers.
Or natural remedies.
Look at this one, perfectly
Keeping
ripe
your
and ready.
plants healthy
You can feel
is
how
the
firm
best
it is.
defense.
Nothing beats
Growing
fresh garden
cucumbers
produce.
is not just about producing food, it's about enjoying the journey, watching vines climb, flowers bloom, and fruits develop creates a sense of accomplishment that's hard to match. Even if you have limited space, cucumbers can thrive in containers. Choose a large pot, provide a trellis, and ensure consistent watering. Container gardening allows you to grow fresh cucumbers on balconies, patios, or small yards. Cucumbers are fast growers, often ready to harvest within 50-70 days. This quick turnaround makes them perfect for beginners who want to see results quickly. Another benefit is taste. Homegrown cucumbers are fresher, crispier, and more flavorful than store-bought ones. Once you try them, you'll notice the difference immediately. As your plants continue to produce, you'll find yourself harvesting cucumbers regularly. This ongoing cycle keeps your garden active and rewarding. Growing cucumbers also helps you build confidence
Here, the cucumber fruit
as
begins
a
to
gardener.
form from the flower's
Each
base.
success
The ovary
teaches
elongates
you
as the flower
something
wilts,
new
its petals
and
closing.
encourages you
The young
to
cucumber
try
grows,
more
developing its
plants
characteristic
in the
shape.
future.
Let's see how
if
these
you've
cucumber
been
leaves are doing.
thinking about
The
starting
veins look
your
strong, but there's a little
gardening
spot
journey,
here.
Cucumbers are one of the
Overall,
best
a very healthy
choices
plant.
you can make. They are simple, productive, and incredibly satisfying to grow. Plant your seeds, give them sunlight and water, and watch them transform into thriving vines full of fresh cucumbers. Learn how to grow cucumbers at home with this beginner-friendly guide. Discover planting tips, watering routines, and secrets for a healthy, high-yield harvest. If you love learning about seasonal flowering plants, gardening tips, and nature care, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Nature Nurture Hub, your home for year-round garden inspiration. Let's keep growing together.